All right, now, so here's a preview from 2023 Govcon conference.
Thank you. Okay, so the name of my company is Quality, and that's spelled Q-U-A-L-E-D. And it's pronounced Qual, E-D, say it fast, and it's quality. So we started this business in 2011, and in 2013, we did our first bid, and it was for the U.S. Navy. And it was for $530,000, and we won. So that really screwed me up, because if you bid one time and you win, you don't have a good track record. Because from that point on, I think we did 40 other bids before I got another one. So fast forward to 2016, we got an IDIQ, and it was a $20 million IDIQ for 5 years for LED lighting for the Navy. And I thought, we are set. This is awesome. Well, we got $150,000 out of that one, and we got crushed by the other guys. So that really didn't do it. So, fast forward, and we were up to about $1 million in sales. And then it started slipping. And it started slipping, and it started slipping. And then come 2019, we were down to under 100,000. And we thought about, throwing in the towel. But in 2020, we got our 8A. Oh, wow, this is great. This is a whole new thing. But I have no idea how to do anything. So I started looking around on the web, seeing what I could find, and I found Govcon Giants. And I started watching Eric's videos. And after I watched about 10 of them, I reached out to Eric and said, I got some questions and this and that. And we got together on a conference call, and it was just awesome. And he said, you know what, I'm going to have a network deal in Dallas. I'm coming out from Miami, and maybe you could come out from Phoenix, and that way we could meet. So I took him up on it, and my partner and I came out, and it was just awesome. And there was about 30 people there, and it was just great. It really cemented the idea of creating relationships face-to-face. Because ever since that point in time, Eric's been my friend. And these other people have been my friends and have supported me throughout. I've taken, I don't know if every class possible, but I've taken a lot of them. And sure enough, over the course of the time since then, we have progressed. And actually what happened to us just recently, we got 2 sole source contracts with the Air National Guard in Phoenix. And it's $730,000 that we have to get done by the end of the year. So this year, we'll probably do $1 million again. So all I want to say is thank you to Eric. Thank you to Govcon Giants. Everybody here has been just a blessing to me. And I can't think of any group that I'd love to say better things about. And one other thing, today I've heard from a number of people that have said, this is the best conference that they've ever been to.